This is my first attempt at making a man-powered helicopter. The basic frame is made from 18mm outside diameter mild steel tubing with a wall thickness of 1.5mm. The gearbox consists of a sprocket which drives a horizontal bevel gear and then drives a vertical bevel gear. The vertical gear has 10 teeth, the horizontal bevel gear has 19, and the sprocket has 18 teeth. This is driven by a modified BMX crank with a 30-tooth sprocket. The rotor head is based on roller bearings and has a teeter hinge. The king post is necessary to support the weight of the blades. These blades are purely for test purposes only. Each one is 8 foot long and has a chord of 5 3/4 inches. The basic concept is to have a very light frame built strongly enough to withstand the considerable torque required to drive the rotors. One turn of the paddles will give 3.15 rotations of the rotors. Thank you.